Maximizers, and welcome to Build a Business with Chris, the place for you to learn how to build a profitable business that you love. I'm your business coach, Chris the Maximizer, and in today's video, I want to chat with you about how to sell without worrying about running ads. Now, a lot of people think that when they have a business, they have to run ads on social media, whether it's a YouTube ad, a Facebook ad, an Instagram ad, or even a TikTok ad. You can absolutely make sales without running ads, and let me tell you how you can do that. My first tip for you is to have one main offer to sell. So when you are focusing on selling on social media, you want to have one main focus, one thing that you are publicly selling. Does not mean that people can't go to your website and purchase all the whole gamut of what you have. But when you are showing up on social media, when you are selling on social media, you are selling one main thing. So make sure that offer is refined, easy to buy, ready to go, and the transformation is crystal clear on what they're gonna get when they buy from you. So focus on one main offer to sell on your platform. Next tip, once your offer is complete and you're solid with it, your job now is to build an audience. So before you can actually start selling that offer, you are going to spend some time. I usually say somewhere between 4 to 6 weeks. If you can do a little bit longer, great. Building an audience of ideal clients. This is where you're going to create connection content. This is sharing the what and the why of your business, the what and the why of your story, the what and the why of why you started the business, how it's going to help your ideal clients get more of what they want. You really want to spend some time nurturing your audience. And this is important so that you have someone to sell to. Because if you just start a brand new Instagram, you can't jump out there saying buy, buy, buy. There's no one to sell to. There's no one in your audience. So if you're really trying to sell without having to spend all your money on ads, you really want to make sure that you have people in your audience that you're selling to. So again, connection content. Connect with your ideal client. You need them to know you, like you, and trust you so that when you do sell, they're ready to buy from you. My next tip for you is to create video sales content. So when the time comes and you're actually ready to sell, and I like to call this your conversion content, you are going to want to create videos. And you are going to want to share the transformation. So when someone buys your lip gloss, how are they going to feel? What are their lips going to look like? What is the difference between your lip gloss and the lip gloss that I can get from CVS? Why should I buy your lip gloss? What sets it apart? What makes it different? What's your secret sauce behind making your lip gloss? You want to focus 1000% in your video on the transformation of your offer and how it's going to help me, your ideal client, get more of what I want. And the best way to do that is in video. None of these floating pictures, support my business, buy my lip gloss. No one wants to see that crap. You're not going to get sales that way. Explain to me why I should buy your product, why it's going to solve my problem, and why it's going to get me more of what I want. And you want to do that in a video, showing your face, sharing your voice, so that people can, again, know you, like you, and trust you, so they can actually buy your lip gloss. My next tip for you for making sales without using ads, go live. Listen, I've made tens of thousands of dollars by going live. And if you have a product-based business like lip gloss, you can sit on live QVC style. And you can sit on live and you can talk about your product. You can talk about how it works, why it works, what makes it different. And then most importantly, you can show people. Take the lip gloss out, put it on, share testimonials. Bring some people who bought your lip gloss on and have them put it on for the people that are watching. When you go live, it gives you the opportunity to be intimate with your audience in the sense of they can ask you questions, you can ask them questions. You can go deeper in a topic, you can share all the juicy details about your offer, you can get feedback from the audience, and you can engage with them. So if someone asks you a question about, tell me about the applicator. You can go into detail about the applicator. Tell me about the packaging. You can go deeper about the packaging. Tell me about the pigments, the colors. Is it best on light skin, fair skin, dark skin, brown skin, medium skin? Like, you can go into all of those details. Whereas in a recorded video, you may not go into all of those details because no one's prompting you and asking you questions. But when you go live, you can have that helpful banter with your ideal clients and learn more about what's important to them. So if people are asking about the packaging, they're asking about the applicator, they're asking about the pigments, that is all information that you can use for content in the future. But in that moment, you're giving your ideal clients what they want and what they need to make their buying decision. For them to decide, you know what? I'm actually gonna buy this lip gloss. Me as a business coach, I use this time to share about my offers, to let you know that I do have one-on-one coaching available and how my one-on-one coaching is gonna help you get to your next level and what it would look like for us to work together. And when you leave one-on-one coaching, what are you gonna leave with? You're gonna leave with making more sales than you did when you first came in. So really focusing on that transformation and sharing your offer in grave detail is gonna help you on live. Your audience is going to love live. We're nosy. We wanna know the tea. We wanna be all up in the business. So the more you go live, the more you engage with your audience, the more you're gonna be able to sell organically without feeling pushy or salesy. Last but certainly not least, you cannot be afraid to ask for the sale. You cannot be afraid to present your offer, tell everyone that it's good, and then say, if you would like to purchase, go to KristaMaximizer.com. If you want to work with me one-on-one, go book a sales call at KristaMaximizer.com. If you're ready for this lip gloss, go ahead and buy it right now on my website. The link's here. This is the promo code. This is this. Like, you cannot be afraid to ask for the sale, and you want to do it often. If you're selling something like lip gloss that people can buy every time, you should be selling multiple times a week, if not every day. If you're not making any sales right now, if no one's bought from you, you should be sharing about your offer and selling it every single day. If you're in a launch mode where people can only buy from, July 1st to July 15th, you should be talking about it every single day. You should be telling people how they can buy it every day, why it's for them, how it's going to help them, how it's going to get them more of what they want, sharing all the nitty-gritty details about it every single day, because it's only available for a limited time. It's only available for a limited time. You cannot be afraid to ask for the sale, because essentially you're helping your ideal client get more of what they want by solving one of their problems. So help them solve their problems with your offer, okay? So those are my tips for being able to sell on social media without using ads. I'd love to know in the comments which tip was most helpful for you. And if you would like to work with me one-on-one in order to take your business to the next level of sales, go ahead and book a sales call. We are going to talk about what it would look like to work together in the next 3 months. We're going to tailor create a strategy and an action plan for you that you can implement for the next 3 months so that you can leave one-on-one coaching with more sales than you did when you came in. So you can book your sales call at KristaMaximizer.com, and the link's also in the description box. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you in the next video.